Laugh all you want, kid. This is the hair you're getting. Corey is crazy. Say yeah. I don't like either of that. Whose feet are these? These are for me. What? These are God gave me these. Good luck. We hope they're not going to turn out like Aunt Corey's. I walked and trip all over myself.
Corey, do the hair thing. Parker, laugh.
She said, I'm getting that hair. I need to study this. Okay.
Is that all?
I need a moment.